Alright, adjustments I want to make. I want to tilt this part of the leg out a little bit. Other than that, it's pretty good. I gotta rotate this and see how the walking is this direction. But looking good. Put a little spacer in here. Now when the leg is down, I want this to be like basically horizontal. Let's see what that is. This space in here gets the leg into a better position, but I don't really want to have a spacer here to bring this lower, so I'm wondering if I can bring this whole bottom up, which would be stronger. I mean, I can put a spacer there, but it would be stronger if I could shorten things rather than lengthen things. So maybe I can decrease the radius of this thing here all the way around by twice as much as that, so this pivot point moves up that much. That means I have to print the whole new one of these and new ones of these. Or maybe I could just cut some of this off and test it again, and cut this off and test it. But do I have enough clearance in there to do what I'm talking about?
A couple days ago, my kids' friends came over. And the little boy coughed in my face, and I was like, oh no, that was a sick cough. Yeah. I think I'll be fine tomorrow, or the next day. Bleep bleep pop bleep 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 blah 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 blah.